Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can connect your discovery with delivery in Jira. Specifically, how you can connect Jira Product Discovery ideas with the Jira delivery tickets or Jira delivery work items. As you know, Jira Product Discovery provides a dedicated space to prioritize, to plan your roadmap and decide which idea needs to pursue. Once the idea is approved, you can link that particular JPD idea with your Jira delivery tickets. So let's see how we can do that. These are my Jira Product Discovery project and I will open my discovery project. Then I will pick this gather JPD information, the idea that we created in the previous video. And when you will come here in the delivery, you will have a option to link a Jira work item and the create work item. Here I have already linked my Epic one with this MDP10, and if you will expand it, you will be able to see all of the child work items related to that particular Epic. If you want to link more, then you can click on a link Jira work item. You can select your project from the drop down, then you can select the work item, or you can type the work item key over here and then you can link it. You can see you can't search the work item with the done status. Copy and paste the URL to link a work item instead. So if that particular Jira work item is in done status, just copy and paste the URL directly here because it will not be visible in the search. You can also create the work item. If you will click on the work item, you can select your project, your work item type, and then you can give the summary of that particular work item, and then you can create the Jira work item. Now I will cancel it. And here, after connecting the Jira work item, you can see this is a delivery progress bar which will show you your delivery progress, and we have a setting for that. If you will click on configure delivery progress, you have a option how to display the delivery progress. We have an option you want to show the default or simple. If you will click on simple, so this is how it will look like, but I will go with the default. Or you want the work item count or the story point basis progress, I will go with the work item count. Now I will click on back to details, and here if I will open this JCAT 67, currently the status of that particular work item is new, but I will come here and then I will close it. So let me close it. Then I will come to my Jira Product Discovery and I will give it a refresh. Then you can see the progress in the progress bar. Here we have done 1 of 5 delivery work items. So this is how the delivery will look like. Now I will go and I will open this JCAT 71. I will come here and then I will move this to the development. Then again I will come back to the view. I will give it a refresh. You can see 1 of 5 delivery work items done and 1 of 5 delivery work items is in progress. So this is how the delivery progress bar will look like. Now you know how to connect your Jira Product Discovery idea with the Jira delivery tickets. Let's suppose if you want to create a different view where you can see your delivery progress, your delivery status, then how you will do that. I will come to the project, which is my discovery project. Then you will click here on the create view and click on the list view or board view, whatever the view you want to create, and I will give the name delivery progress or status, whatever you want to do that. And there are the two fields are available for the delivery. If you will go and search, then delivery progress and delivery status is there. So if I will add the delivery progress and I will also add the delivery status, then these two fields will show you the information about your delivery, and it will be on the basis of the status of number of issues. So that's how we can create a different view for checking the delivery progress of the Jira work item. Now you know how to connect your Jira Product Discovery ideas with the Jira delivery tickets. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.